Okie dokie, we have been shopping and today we have bought what?
Multi-chopper
From which company?
from Philips.
Philips, so there it is.
That is my favorite.
Let's see the box first of all. Do you want to take the box round and round? There we go, so it does all that kind of shopping and then that kind of one. It's from I1. Okay, so let's open the box and see what's inside. And you can see this is real because we haven't even opened the box yet. We don't even know what's inside. Mind your fingers. And of course our cat has to be in part of the video as well. And she has her own channel, by the way, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. It's called Tokyo, or my cat, Tokyo. And Tokyo is a boy, not a girl.
Boy.
Boy. So, let's see what's inside.
Let's see how to put it like this.
Okay.
Oh, this one is for chop one.
Chopping. That's inside. I think the cat is more interested in the box. You can have the box later. Let's get that away from you. Put that in there.
Different color. Oh, this one for plan bag. Have enough have. Oh, this one is the top. Yo, I put your mouth in and then out. A moment, please. So finished. This one construction.
Instructions, not construction. You construct a house. Anything else in the box?
Yeah.
Oh, and you get a free cat as well, who would be very happy inside.
Oh, yeah.
So
Okay.
why don't you put the box on the floor
Let's see right here.
and he put the box on the floor.
Oh,
There we go. So you see, it's multi-purpose. Not only does it chop meats, it's also a home for little cats. It seems to be very happy down there as well.
my cat is strange.
So obviously this is the top.
No, this.
Well, it says Philips.
This.
Look, you see?
So, but how you put this?
I don't know. Okay.
Oh, sorry. See?
And what would be that for? Vegetables? Don't know.
I don't know.
We'll have to read the constructions later. Instructions later.
Sorry.
Are you?
I have two. This.
Well, don't worry about that one. That's just like the guarantee. Maybe. So there it is. So it has a little hat. This looks like an umbrella. So if it's raining, it's okay.
No, it's for protecting. And this one.
So there we go. Are you sure that's the right way round? No, look at the box. Look at the box.
Like this.
Like that. There we go. So we're going to be back. We're going to read the construction instructions first, and then let's see what happens.
Philip meal.
Okay, so we sorted it out. It doesn't go that way. It goes the other way. So it goes like that. And this one is for like vegetables and fruits. Okay. And the other one for this one is meat. But when you use the meat one, you don't use the purple thing. It just put all the meat in there. All right. So let's put that in. Then we're going to... Oh, okay. That goes in there. That one goes in there to seal everything. And then that one is going to go in there. Now we just need to find some electric, which is over there. So, sorry, it will be over there. So we'll be back.
Wait.
So I would say the bad thing is...
Again.
Okay. Hold on. Let me just try one thing. So if you have it here, there is no on-off switch and it doesn't click on like that. So you've got to make sure it's all ready before you actually process, because it's otherwise, I don't know. So there's a little safety factor, but I think it's quite secure for the Philips. What are you going to say?
I think you can, if you want to add some more, because we cannot be put more, yeah? You can take that out first. You sit electric off and then, yeah, take out and then you just add vegetable. And then continue again. That's it.
Like that. So just use the on-off.
Vegetable is like this.
There we go. So imagine, no more cutting onions, no more doing carrots, and like when you want small carrots, it's done like that.
Yeah.
So this is the Philips multi-chef grinder. No, what is it?
Multi-chopping.
Chopper. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye. See you.